Welcome to Cooking For You. Are you also a different state food lover? So here today we are going to make traditional Kerala breakfast Appam. So what it is, how to make it and what is the process, let's check it out. How to make Kerala Appam recipe. This recipe follows as take rice of about 1.5 glass. Wash the rice and soak it for about 5 hours. Transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it, making a fine smooth paste. Add shredded coconut to it. Add water of 2 glass and give it a fine mix. Now take the paste into a separate bowl. If you have some leftover rice, add that rice, grind it also and make a paste and add it to the same batter. Mix all together finely. Make sure that there are no lumps should be left. The consistency should be like water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and mix it thoroughly. And now here we are adding dry yeast for about half tablespoon. And now ferment it for about 8 hours. And next you can see how bludgy and bubbled it had become. It has swollen up. This means the texture what we are making is perfectly correct. Now add a tablespoon of salt. Now on a pan, just spread it all over like we spread dosha. But here it's a different kind of pan, it's an oval pan and we are using this way, this rotating the pan overall to make the texture we want for Appam. Once the shown processor is done, close it with the lid. This must be cooked up to 2 to 3 minutes. And now using a sharp-edged spoon, remove it gently. First remove it from the sides, from the corners, and then slightly get into the middle and flip it over. That's it. The Appam is ready. Serve it with any kind of chutney you like and the delicious Appam is ready. Thank you.